The Council of Tiprasa Hoda has issued an ultimatum stating that if the particular YouTube channel does not issue an apology within 24 hours, necessary actions will be taken against it.
In a heated situation on Thursday, a statewide 24-hour strike has been observed in Tripura over the serious issue on Bangladeshi immigrants. Meanwhile, while going for the coverage of the protest, one of the YouTube channel claimed that the crores and crores of Hindu Bengali people, Muslim people, Chakma and even Bru and Tripura communities has come from Bangladesh, and they are not sons of the soil, but are immigrants who have arrived from Bangladesh and settled in Tripura. There was still across the state after such statement circulates in many Facebook pages and WhatsApp groups. Now watch this video clip what this YouTube channel anchor has said.
Bangladesh ni raida saya borok rok Tripura hasto phai thap phaimani bagai dai taboke asabai si thagriya lakh si taboke thagriya crore si sabai si Tripura hasto Bangladesh ni borok rok phaimani tama bangla sorry tama tama Hindu wan jingdi tama Tripura samhundi tama Sakma ba samhundi tama Tripura ba samhundi jotono Tripura hasto mokol kayu no hapaja salba permani nuksa ya raita saya play Tripura hasto hapayu dokumen senamo India ni borak ni tong phai becha.
Furthermore, in another video clip, this YouTube channel said not only Tripura community are targeting and entering in Tripura daily, but that Bru and Chakma people are also entering the state illegally. They are making false documents and becoming the citizens of India.
Tama Bru ba samhundi, tama Sakma ba samhundi, tama Tripura ba samhundi. Jotono Tripura hasto mokol kayu no hapaja salba permani nuksa ya raita saya play Tripura hasto hapayu dokumen senamo India ni borak ni tong phai becha.
This sudden statement made by this particular YouTube channel has created a stir in the state, bringing condemnation from various organizations, parties and communities. How the Tripura or Tripura community is considered a Bangladeshi. Tripura community people, including all the public, are asking proof and clarification from this YouTube channel. Based on this incident, Naren Birendra Tripura, the president of Council of Tiprasa Hoda, strongly condemned this YouTube channel.
Dongor Tibini, je reporter, tini borong ganang je samoli jomatia Tripura Chakma Tripura rogbo Bangladesh ni paisamani bo injustice ungka onnay ungka sung Council of Tiprasa Hoda de tibro ninda khayo sung khayo immediately ye Dongor Tibini borong ganang chief editor Jacob Deborma bobno dukho prakash khaito এবং ও ঘটনা ডিলিট খাইতো নিচুন খা খাই নিয়াকাই ব একটা পুরা সমাজ ব্যবস্থাও নিজেদের মধ্যে অবিশ্বাস জন্মউনানি তরি উমতং.
The Council of Tiprasa Hoda Joint Convener Sabir Debarma has given an ultimatum if an apology is not made within 24 hours. Necessary action will be taken against this particular YouTube channel.
সন্ত হনো যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব অবনকগ্ন রসাবই जों किसी नुखा बनि चैनल बिसिं तै बरक आबनो फेब्रिकेटेड बा एआई नै सामानि किन्तु एआई जुदि नुइ तंखांकाय नों प्रूफ खायदि जे व्हाट इज एआई एंड व्हाट इज ओरिजिनल बरकनो स्राय खायदि कुन कन्फ्यूज ता खायदि बरकनो आ ताबुन दिनि बरनो जतनो सिगो बो कथार बो गुबै बो चेंद्रा गाबुन बागैनो आं रिक्वेस्ट खायो सिनि बिसिंगो ताबु थानसानि जरा ओ थानजाबो मिस आन्डारस्टेन्डिं तोरि ता खायदि गाय abo norok bo jotono slip of tongue phanangi man sini mukhyamantri ni slip of tongue bo to dukho prakash khaibile ngangkai tini nung ang jotoni no slip of tongue ni man nung dukho prakash khaidi sini borok dukho mani to apno tui ngangkai jodi sin norok jodi 24 hour ni bising jodi kono abone tui dukho prakash khaya ngangkle sing bosini dofa ba sini council ni tini sing tribal nu Because sini action sing mana hanai sini je raida tui sing tam khaiman sing paisa asugui decision mana.
As of the latest report, the YouTube channel is yet to apologize the people as of now. Pure report, Chini Khorang.